Hi guys, my name is Jojo and welcome to my channel. So today is day 2 of the Christmas DIY project, and we're going to be doing a snowflake using pegs. So if you'd like to see how I did this simple yet beautiful DIY project that you can use to hang on your Christmas tree, keep on watching. This project, you'll need your pegs. You'll need 8 of them. So I bought this pack for 65 shillings at Tuskys supermarket, and then you'll need your glue gun and your glue sticks. So optional items are glitter if you want your snowflake to shine a bit, and then you'll need your glue, of course, so you can use Mod Podge or you can use wood glue. So any white glue will do. So we are going to start with the pegs. So since we need 8 pegs, I decided to work with the white ones. At least this will be easier, not have to paint or spray paint them white, because I need the snowflakes to be in white. Yeah, so this will be much easier. So what you're going to do, you're going to turn the pegs so that we remove this metallic part. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to take one side and you're going to glue them like this. So you can either cut off this part that is protruding, but I don't think it's I think it adds a interesting look to it, so I decided to leave it just like that. The next step is gluing the pegs. Part will be to arrange the pegs. So we're going to arrange them in each direction. So this is how your snowflake should look like. And then we'll start gluing the pieces together. Leave your snowflake like this, and then use a string to hang it so that it is suspended. But now we are going to go the extra step and apply glitter, this gold glitter, to only one side. So if it's suspended and then it starts to swing, one side will be gold and then the other side will be white. Brush that I use, so it's ready to go with this. And for this project I chose to do the wood glue version, since I know this is what most people we'll get. So the next bit will be to take your string and cut maybe like this one will be enough. And what you're going to do, you're going to insert the string in the middle. There's an opening where the pegs are joining each other. Your final look, your snowflake. So you're going to hang this on your Christmas tree, and then it's going to be dangling. So one side will be gold, the other side will be in white. I love it. I didn't expect it to be like this. This is way better than what I had in mind. Yeah, so this is it, guys. So that's it, guys, for today's episode. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. And if you did like the video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new, kindly hit the subscribe button below. So until tomorrow, bye.